In this video, I am going to show you how to add a playlist on SSIPTV. First, ensure that you have the SSIPTV app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the main menu. Next, select Settings from the menu. In the settings, look for the Content option and select it. Here you'll see an option to add a new playlist. Click on Add Playlist. You can choose to enter a playlist URL if you have one. If you don't have a URL, you can create a local playlist by selecting the option for Local Files. If you choose the URL option, paste the link to your M3U playlist and give it a name for easy identification. After entering the URL or selecting the local playlist, click Add. The app will then start fetching the channels from the playlist. Once the playlist is added, you can return to the main menu. To view your newly added playlist, go back to the main screen of SSIPTV and navigate to the Playlists section. Select your playlist, and you can now start streaming your favorite channels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.